Joshua? 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 Oh. Joshua?
Yeah.
What did you tell Caleb?
What?
Don't wak me, Joshua Ko Kunyao. I saw him in the library just now. He looks so sad.
He always looks sad. His mouths are always upside down. So when he's been there, he looks like this.
He talked to me about you.
He did?
Yes, he did. Ah, FHM? Gross.
What did he say?
What you said.
That your hips were big?
What?
Oh, okay.
I don't have big hips.
I didn't say hips. I said lips.
Ugh.
Big lips. These are lips. The ones you see on models in those beer ads. Okay, I said hips.
Oh, you make it sound like I get stuck on escalators.
No, I mean in a nice childbearing way. With hips like these, we could have twins,
Oh.
triplets, a whole soccer team. We could be the goddess of fertility.
I'll kick you so hard you become the god of infertility. We're not even married yet.
Let's get married.
Let's elope. Huh? Josh, what are you doing? Joshua?
Alicia Tokailan, will you marry me?
Oh, look, it's the perfect size. See how it catches the light. What is this? Silver? Platinum?
Nope. 100% aluminium.
You know what, Joshua? Save the environment. Go recycle it.
Do you think we'll stay on long enough to get married?
I don't know. I mean, it would be nice, right? People can point at the school annual and say, how sweet. LGDS chairperson marries the soccer captain. And the children can debate while they dribble.
So they inherit my talent for speaking and for your salivary glands?
Joshua,
Yeah.
next time, don't do too many hitters. Not good for the brain.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm supposed to be angry with you.
For what?
How come you laughed at Caleb's poems?
They were funny.
You're not supposed to laugh. You're supposed to be supportive. They were very personal poems.
But they were funny.
You know what's your problem? You think everything has to be funny. Even when nobody's laughing.
Okay. I'll try to be more sensitive in future, right?
Joshua, I had a dream last night.
Again?
I know. I've been losing a lot of sleep over the past few nights. We were at a carnival. Amy was there. And so was Caleb, you and I. You know the Tunnel of Love?
Oh, Tunnel of Love.
We bought tickets for Amy and Caleb. Then we watched them get into the boat and kicked it happily into the tunnel. Then we waited for them on the other side. And we made a bet. I bet Amy was going to get one love bite on the neck.
Love bite.
And you bet that Josh Caleb was going to get two in his chest. It was really dark inside the tunnel. And from outside, you could hear the sound of splashing water.
Whoa!
And the boat drifted out. And Caleb was alone. He said there was a crocodile. And it sank its teeth into Amy.
So, she did get her love bite.
Can you please be serious?
It's just a dream, Alicia.
And Caleb showed me something bloody in his hand. And it was Amy's finger. It was going to slip on the ring when it happened. I woke up sweating, Joshua. I was so scared.
You should have called me.
It was 3 a.m.
I wouldn't have minded.
I called Caleb.
Caleb?
He couldn't sleep either. He had been writing something for the past few nights.
That mugger.
It was a love letter.
Oh, he's fast. So who's this new girlfriend?
To Amy?
Amy, but isn't she...
I know. That's why I think he needs our help.
Now it's some insomniac maniac scribbling poems at 3 a.m.
Poems for your amusement.
But they're funny!
You know what? Everything's funny, isn't it? Caleb's funny. I'm funny. We're all hilarious.
Look, I don't want to fight.
Right. We're not even married yet.
Caleb? Hey, Alicia, Josh! I was just, hey, you shouldn't throw this away. You could win a prize. Okay, I'll check it for you. Wow! Congratulations, you guys! You just won a pair of tickets to Escape Theme Park. Too bad it's just one pair. They don't give things in threes, do they? So, you guys going? You take it, Caleb. I'm not too keen on theme parks. Are you?
Go inside.
Josh, I was just